Hi students, how are you? Today I am going to explain line by line the rat trap. So open page number 32. Once upon a time there was a man who went around selling small rat traps of wire. The rat trap is a story of a peddler, a rat trap seller who went around selling small rat traps of wire. He made them, he means the rat trap seller, made them means rat traps, himself at odd moments. Odd moment means free time. So he used to make rat traps himself in his free time. What did he use? From the material he got by begging in stores or at the big farms. He did not purchase the material by which he used to make it. He got material for making it by begging in the stores or at the big farms. But even so, the business was not especially profitable. So he had to resort to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. As the business of selling the trap was not profitable and could not solve his problem of basic needs, so he had to depend on both begging and petty thievery, small theft, to keep body and soul together, means survival. So he had to depend on both begging and small theft for his survival. Even so, his clothes were in rags. His clothes were old and torn. His cheeks were sunken. His cheeks were hollow, and hunger gleamed in his eyes, and hunger was clearly visible in his eyes. Now, come to second paragraph. Before going to second paragraph, focus at this phrase, to keep body and soul together, means to survive. Odd moments in his free time, leisure time. Okay. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond. Vagabond means vagrant, wanderer. It was not even imagined by anybody else how sad, sorrowful, and monotonous means boring, dull life he was living, the peddler was living, who plods along the road, left to his own meditation. And sometimes when he plod means walk, so when he used to walk along the road, he fell into deep meditation and philosophical thinking. But one day, this man had fallen into a line of thoughts. Line of thoughts means series of ideas. So one day, when peddler had fallen into a series of ideas which really seemed to him entertaining, which he felt very entertaining and amusing. So his thought sometime entertained him. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps. He usually had the idea of rat traps. And all of a sudden, he was struck by the idea. So one day, when he was thinking about his rat traps, all of a sudden he was surprised by the idea that the whole world about him, the whole world with its lands and seas, its cities and villages, was nothing but a big rat trap. So the idea by which he was struck by, that was related to philosophical idea. He thought that the whole and entire world was or a trap. Its lands and seas, water bodies, its cities and villages were rat traps, huge and big rat traps. It had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits. Baits means here temptation, greed. The rat trap had existed on the earth for the purpose of setting temptation. It had not some other purpose. It offered riches and joys, shelter and food, heat and clothing, exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork. So, as the rat trap offered cheese and pork as baits, in the same way, lands, seas, cities, and villages had offered riches and other entertaining things. And what was the effect? And as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closed in on him, and then everything came to an end. When someone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, the rat trap closed in on him, and then everything was over. So, according to him, the whole world was a rat trap. and all the resources available on the earth and in its surrounding was nothing but tempting people. They were offering baits as rat trap offered cheese and pork, so that people let themselves be tempted to touch the bait, and rat trap closed in on them, and then their lives would be over. The world had, of course, never been very kind to him, so it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it in this way. In the world, of course, he had never been welcomed by people. People showed sour faces and welcomed him with abuses and their negligences. They never tried to understand the problem of peddler, and that's why he never gave importance to them. It gave him unwanted joy, and that's why whenever he thought negative about this world and its people, it provided him joy. It became a cherished pastime of his. So, for this unskilled man, it became a regular pastime, mean of entertainment and amusement. Cherished means to keep in heart. So he kept the way of thinking in his heart for passing his time. And he used when narrator mentions here during many dreary plottings. Whenever he was on long and horrible journey, dreary means horrible, plodding means journey, to think of people he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare means trap, and of others who were still circling around a bait. He used to think of people he knew. He also thought that how they had let themselves be caught in the dangerous trap. He also thought that how others were still circling around the bait to be caught. So, in that way, he would enjoy by his philosophical thinking. Thank you.